Hi everyone, my name is Luis Camargo, and on today's video we are going over the redemption flow on Register. So this is a continuation of the issuance video. You can click on the link below to watch that. So on today's video we're going to actually convert USD for the underlying collateral. I already have Register open, selected the USD RToken. I'm already on the mint plus redeem screen, which is the screen you need to be to do the redemption. And let's start with that. So for redeeming is pretty straightforward. It's the same, almost the same flow as issuance, SAP issuance, not the normal issuance. So you have the maximum amount, which is equivalent to the amount of USD you have in your wallet. Here you can see how much do you have. So I have almost 30 USD. Let's actually redeem all of that. And after I choose the max or any amount, I have the redeem button already available. So when I click on the redeem button, I have the button to actually start the transaction. I also have this collateral distribution, which if I open, I will preview how much collateral would I get back for this amount of redemption. For example, if I change the amount, let's choose 10, I see that this is the amount of collateral we get back. Let's go with the maximum again. And let's start with the transaction. I see that my MetaMask pop-up already happens. I confirm the transaction is signed, transaction confirmed. The maximum goes to 0, my balance goes to 0, and I have my collateral back. That's how redemption works, pretty easy, right? Cheers!